Zoho CRM can now integrate directly with QuickBooks. This integration links basic features in Zoho CRM and QuickBooks together and handles different foreign currencies. Names, business accounts, purchases, and sales reports update right away. You can manage bills, keep track of payments, check quotes, and see customer buying history inside CRM. Everything stays in one clear view, so nothing gets lost. Because of this, making and sending price quotes takes just a few clicks and very little time. So let's see how to integrate QuickBooks with Zoho CRM. Let's look at how to set this up. System managers can turn on the QuickBooks feature right from the Zoho CRM settings screen. Then go to the App Store, choose Integration, pick QuickBooks, and click Install. Next, log into your active QuickBooks profile. On the permission screen, click Connect to join them. The system then moves you to the main setup page. Once you hit Finish Configuration, both systems start sharing data immediately. This connection works across 6 total areas: profiles, business accounts, seller details, and item lists sync back and forth, updating changes in both places. For inventory items like price quotes, bills, and buying orders, data moves in just one direction. That means only items you make inside QuickBooks will show up in your CRM. The system already matches up the information fields between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks for you, starting with your contacts, accounts, sellers, and items, and then moving to inventory. You can review these fields and type in your information. Next, you can add a brand new contact in CRM, and it sends right over to QuickBooks instantly. On your contact page, you will also see a button that links to QuickBooks. Clicking it opens the profile in QuickBooks, and updating an email changes it in CRM. Next, you will make a price quote. From your customer's info page, go to the related list and click the Add button right next to Quotes. This takes you straight to Estimates in QuickBooks because QuickBooks calls quotes estimates. On the estimate form, pick a product from the drop-down menu, change the number of items, add a discount if you want, and click Review and Send. Once you check the review screen and click Send Estimate, the quote goes right to your customer's email inbox. Inside QuickBooks, you can see if the quote is created, sent, or accepted and edit it easily. Back in your CRM, you can open it anytime. You can see all the information plus a QuickBooks link that opens up your estimate in QuickBooks. Because you see a small lock symbol, this item is locked in CRM and you cannot change it here. This happens because the system only shares data in one direction. If you need to fix something and click Edit, the system sends you over to QuickBooks. For now, the quote status in CRM says pending because your customer received the estimate but has not agreed to it yet. To save time, instead of checking back manually, you can set up an automatic rule for different quote stages. You can build this rule inside the Quotes module, start it whenever a quote is made or changed, and set the main condition to Quote Stage Accepted. You can also add a rule that sends automatic emails. This setup tells your sales team as soon as a quote gets approved and sends a nice thank you email to your buyer. When the customer opens their email, looks over the estimate, and clicks to accept it, the new status updates inside QuickBooks and then shows up in CRM. On the quote page inside CRM, the stage changes to accepted automatically. This change fires off your rule and sends out that thank you email without extra steps. From there, inside the CRM Quotes section, you can turn that estimate into an invoice by clicking the Create QB Invoice button. A quick message pops up on your screen to confirm, and the system moves you over to QuickBooks. You can look over the bill and click Send Invoice. Right after that, the bill gets emailed straight to your customer. When you go back to CRM, the bill shows up in the Invoices section as a locked item with a helpful link to QuickBooks. You can also find this bill listed under your customer's main contact page. Beyond that, you can make custom reports inside CRM using QuickBooks information. From the reporting area, you can view standard reports or design your own using QuickBooks modules. So you just experienced how quick data updates make work much easier using this link between Zoho CRM and QuickBooks. Reps can see all their information clearly, helping them create the right price quotes, send accurate bills, and finish sales smoothly. Try it today and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.